हेलो दोस्तों, बिफोर वी डाइव इनटू द माउंटेन्स एंड मिथ्स, एक छोटी सी फ्लेक्स सुनो जो शायद किसी गाइड ने आपको कभी नहीं बताई होगी। गेस व्हाट लूसन इज फेमस फॉर? यू वुड से medieval old town, frescoes on buildings, beautiful lakes. कम ऑन, पोस्टकार्ड में तो जरूर देखा होगा। चलो बता ही देते हैं। Lucerne is home to the world's oldest surviving truss bridge, the iconic Chapel Bridge, built way back in the 1330s. वो वुडन वॉकवे जो फ्लावर से कवर्ड होता है, ये शहर खुद में एक पोयम है। It doesn't pull you in, it gently folds you into its rhythm. और जब आप यहाँ आ जाते हो, you don't want to leave, you just want to wander. So here I am finally in Lucerne, या फिर लूजर्न अगर थोड़ा फैंसी फील चाहिए। मैं रुका मोसन में, एक छोटा सा टाउन नियर बाय। इतना शांत कि लगा बर्ड्स भी मेडिटेशन मोड में हैं।
Good morning. What a beautiful morning we have today. I am very close to Lucerne. That's where I'm staying at a place called Mosen. You can see that's the station. Approximately, it'll take me 1 hour from the station to Lucerne and another 15 minutes from Lucerne to Alpenstadt, which is the town from where you're going to take the first cogwheel. You need to make reservations, so please remember to book your seats before you get to this particular place, and then we get the panoramic view of the Swiss Alps and the village of town of Lucerne. And now let's head to Mount Pilatus.
और हाँ, एक प्रो टिप, get that Swiss travel pass. It's literally your golden ticket to trains, boats, cable cars. बिना इसके you'll spend more time budgeting than soaking in the beauty. तो अगर स्विट्जरलैंड जाना है पर बजट हर बार बैठ जा बोलता है, तो लिसन, travelrhapsody.in को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड हिट द नोटिफिकेशन बेल, क्योंकि हम बताएंगे कैसे घुमा जाएगा स्विट्जरलैंड स्मार्टली, ब्यूटिफुली और पॉकेट फ्रेंडली तरीके से। लेट्स मेक इट हैपन। इफ लूसर्न इज द गेटवे, देन माउंट पिलाटस इज द myth waiting beyond. Tall, timeless and wrapped in whispers.
Okay, I have reached Alpenstadt. That's where the world's steepest cogwheel is there, and I'm going to take that cogwheel all the way up to Mount Pilatus. You can see there, that's the direction. It's a 30-minute ride all the way to the top. Once you get there, then you explore on the top, and then from there you can take the cable car down to the other side in Cairns.
एल्पेनस्टैड पर लाइन काफी लंबी थी, बट आई ब्रेव्ड इट। दिस isn't just any train. This is the world's steepest cogwheel railway, climbing at a bold 48 degrees. That's not a hill, that's a commitment. And as you go up from Alpenstadt, दुनिया नीचे छोटी होती जाती है. Villages become dots, lakes becomes mirrors.
Okay, reach the top, and now it's time to explore the panoramic view from Mount Pilatus. That's the world's highest logway.
At the top, सब कुछ अलग लगता है. You are above the tree line. हवा और भी क्रिस्प है और साइलेंस और गहरी. But the real chill, the dragon path. Rocks में carved, mist में घुमा हुआ, echoes से भरा. और जब आप उस रास्ते पर चलते हो, you don't feel like a tourist. You feel like someone hoping the legend is true. From the peak, मैंने descend किया to Frankfurt Tech in a glass-walled cable car.
So let's go and have some adventure.
क्लाउड्स के बीच से गुजरना, कोई म्यूजिक नहीं, कोई वॉइस ओवर नहीं, सिर्फ हवा का साउंड और आपकी खामोशी। आप सोच रहे होंगे फ्रैंकफर्ट टेक सिर्फ एक स्टॉप है। बिल्कुल गलत। इट्स अ फुल ऑन एडवेंचर जोन। जिप लाइन, ग्लाइडर्स, थ्रिल दैट मेक्स योर कॉफी नर्वस। सबसे पहले द ड्रैगन ग्लाइडर। हार्नेस पहनो, लीन फॉरवर्ड एंड सडनली यू आर फ्लाइंग लाइक सुपरमैन। नेक्स्ट स्टॉप द लॉन्गेस्ट टोबोगन राइड। एक लॉन्ग मेटल ट्रैक, एक स्लेड और सिर्फ एक हैंड ब्रेक जिससे आपका स्पीड कंट्रोल होता है। बट डिड आई यूज द ब्रेक? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट, बिकॉज स्लोइंग डाउन डिडंट फील लाइक एन ऑप्शन।
It's the longest toboggan in all of Switzerland, and it's really fun. It's easy, even for beginners. It's very easy. So I think you all should do it. This cost about 8 francs per person, and then you also get this holder, which is free of cost from the kiosk. Just need to give your passport. They'll give you a token, and they'll give you these 3 mobile holders, which I think is a great idea if you want to shoot those amazing reels while going down. And now this is the reverse one, which takes me back up.
Pilates doesn't give you memories, it gives you stories. Back in Lucerne City, सब कुछ फिर से स्लो हो गया. Chapel Bridge looked even more stunning at sunset. Wood, water, flowers, सब कुछ एक रिफ्लेक्शन जैसा लगा, जैसे शहर ने खुद को ही फ्रेम कर दिया हो. Old town wraps around you like pastel storybook. Cobble streets, lazy fountains and Wes Anderson style windows, poetic and peaceful. And then comes the lion monument. बस एक lion carved है rock में, lying down, wounded. पर उसमें एक raw emotion छुपा है. It was built to honor the Swiss guards who died in the French Revolution. No plaque, no words. बस एक silence जो आपको पकड़ लेता है. My last evening by the lake, beauty park.
The entry to the park is about 5 francs. And to be honest, it's a great spot. Behind me, you can see the park where people are just sitting, chilling, and sunbathing. And on this side, you have the lake where you can actually go take a swim. You have some activities, sports activities. You can pick up like a free paddle boat if you know how to do that and stand and do paddling on it. Or you can maybe even pick up a boat and go out in the lake and just relax in the water. There is facilities like in the 5 francs, all of these facilities are free. And then of course there is a washroom, there is a shower area, and you can also buy food. You have like French fries, burgers, nuggets, and all of it. To be honest, it's very well maintained, very well kept. And I think this kind of a break is necessary when you are traveling for very long. And it just kind of rejuvenates and gives you that momentum. So yeah, that was my break day today. Tomorrow I head over to Winterswil near Interlaken, and then the next 4 days are going to be really hectic because most of the things are around that area. So just chilling today. I'm making a picnic out of my day and taking it slow and easy.
Lucerne is full of contrasts that just fit. This is Travel Rhapsody. And Lucerne is not a place you travel through. It's a story you walk into and somehow become a part of. Follow travelrhapsody.in for more soulful journeys, hidden gems and postcard perfect tales, because some stories deserve to be wandered into.